Living benefits are a feature inside of an index universal life policy that a lot of clients like. Today, I'm going to go over what living benefits are and how you can use them. Just keep in mind that this is purely an example I'm going to go over today. The policy that you purchase may have different living benefits. They are going to vary from carrier to carrier. It's important that you speak with a licensed agent or broker to go over the living benefits on your plan before you purchase one. Now, with that said, living benefits are going to pay out for certain illnesses while you are living. So, as an example, a terminal illness is where you're diagnosed with something where you're not expected to live more than a year. If that's the case, you can accelerate a portion of your death benefit to use now. Same with a chronic illness. A chronic illness is going to be the inability to perform two activities of daily living for 90 days or the presence of a severe cognitive impairment. If that were the case, let's say that you can no longer feed yourself or dress yourself anymore without assistance. If that's the case, you could accelerate a portion of your death benefit now. Critical illness. There's going to be a list of critical illnesses on this page. This is going to vary from carrier to carrier as well. So again, it's really important that you go over the plan that you are planning to purchase in detail to make sure it has all of the illnesses that you would like on the plan before you purchase it. But as an example, invasive life-threatening cancer, stroke, major heart attack, maybe you have paralysis of two or more limbs, major burns, coma, etc. Anything on this list here, that would be an example of a critical illness where you can, again, accelerate a portion of your death benefit to use now to help you while you are going through these illnesses. Now, this is going to be an example of $1 million death benefit on an index universal life policy and how the living benefits will look. So, in this example, this one is an example of a carrier that has a guaranteed lump sum for qualifying conditions. This is actually something that's really important. A lot of carriers will say up to. If it has up to language, just make sure to understand that you don't know exactly what you're going to be paid until there's an actual claim. I don't really like that for my clients. If living benefits are important for my clients, I like them to have a guaranteed lump sum and know exactly what's going to come to them. So in this example, on $1 million death benefit for a terminal illness, a client would be able to accelerate 75% of their original death benefit or $750,000 in this example. A chronic illness would be 50% of the original death benefit or $500,000. And a critical illness would be 25% of the original death benefit or $250,000 to use now. So if you'd like to learn more about living benefits or index universal life in general, go ahead and click the link in this post, and a member of our team will reach out to you within 24 hours to schedule an appointment to go over a plan with you.